Morning guys, it's Kev again and we're out walking. This is a very happy Kev. So, I've just got out, it's Tuesday. I've just had the most successful time period on my YouTube ever. My channel has nearly grown about 40% over the weekend. Everyone knows that all the YouTube regulations and that are all changing, and the community has sort of rallied together. She showed me a bit of support. I've had massive shout outs from Gareth and Zoe Wild Camps, John, Carlisle 195, Wild Ginger Bruce, Ant, Manslove TV, and Jez, Crash the Bush Prepper. I can't believe the love. Like I said, the channel has grown about 40% in less than a week. I think it was about 5 days. That's massive for me, that is massive. And 100% appreciate and love each and every one of you. There was a couple of shout outs as well last week, but I mentioned them in the chat. But that was English Woodsman and Camp Life Bushcraft Dan. 2 Dans there. Yeah, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. And now all the stress is off, all the panic about. Right, so that sucked. The video camera there has been on charge all morning and the battery's just run out, so it looks like we may have a technical issue with the camera or the battery. So now I've got to carry this around for the rest of the walk for nothing. Let's just hope it's a battery problem. Right, so I was just saying on the other camera, obviously you can't see me now, so I apologise for that. But yeah, massive love to everyone that's helped support the channel. It's going from strength to strength. The chat's going from strength to strength. We're breaking records literally every week, nearly every other day on my YouTube app. There's another record broken. I don't know what to say, I'm flabbergasted. Yeah, so I just can concentrate now on the chats, concentrate on the videos that I want to put out, and not have to worry about any stupid YouTube regulations punishing the little people. Come on. There again, first kilometre then, 11 minutes 35. We had to mess around with the door and the dog and the lead and all that, so that's not bad. Onwards. Come on, Pooch. 2k then, 10 minutes and 57 seconds. All's going good. Sun is out. I'm not getting rained on. I love it. I love it. Bit chilly mine, but I've got my new gilet on from Primark, £10 ultralight gilet. Even comes in FFB size. Tenner. Let's give it a good try out. Hopefully it might end up in one of the gear review videos or something I recommend. minutes and 2 per kilometre. God knows what happened to number 3. The app didn't tell me. But we're at the river stage now. Dog's loving it. It's a bit sloppy underfoot, but it's alright. A lot of the times I walk on that other side of the river, but I thought today might be a different bit of perspective to walk on this side. Five k. So 11:27 kilometre, and that's not bad for this this mud track. Obviously it slows you down a fair bit, so that's not bad. "11 minutes 1, so I've improved on the last section. That's not bad. Tiny little bit easier going though. Not quite as sloppy mud. Whoa. Walking sideways to film them horses, then I just tripped over a big stump. That would have been good on the video if I went over, wouldn't it? That geocache we found last year, still there. It's good, people are respecting it. 7k then, 11:20 or 11:21, I can't remember what she said. That's not a bad split place for a 7k in. I'd imagine the next one's going to be slower though, because it's a little bit harder going underfoot. We're off the main river and comb now, and this is a side feeder stream. Probably got about 3k to do, and when the sun's shining like this and everything else, I just love it. Just need to get me to some hills. 8k then, 11 minutes 4. That surprised me, I must have picked up the pace. Get out, dog. Picked the pace in that rough going patch, so it's not bad. About 2k, just over 2k to go then. That's what I'll teach you for running away from me, dog. Yeah, that's what you get for running away. (11 minutes 41). I think she said 9 kilometres. I can't remember now if it was 9 or 8. Stella, what's this? What's this, Stella? Bloody hell, I nearly hit her. What? What? Dog don't chase sticks. Here, what's this? Go on then. What's this? Hey! What's this? Stell? What's this? Go on then. What? What dog don't chase sticks, man? You're not my dog. My dog would chase sticks. (10k) then, 11 minutes 42 per kilometre. That's not bad. I think that's the first time this year I've kept every kilometre under 12. Yeah, they've kept all of them in the 11, even down the muddy track. So probably going to reach nearly 11 by the time I get home. Be about a 2-hour walk, all in all. Yeah, not a bad bit of exercise for a Tuesday. There we are then. That's about 10.5k. I'm just going to record myself now so I don't have to do it in front of the estate. I look friggin' mental. God knows what they think of me around here. They must think I'm absolutely batshit balmy. Yeah, I'll bring you in on the app so you can see the distance and times and all that, and then that'll be the end of this video, so I'll catch you in the next one. So right then, you're joining me now right up in the where I do all my editing. I've got the computer going from this morning's walk. I've got the app open to show you the distance. I am pleased to tell you that the camera is looking good. I think it was just maybe I hadn't plugged in the connector too good for to be charged up. But the camera looks good, so I'm happy about that. And yeah, here's a sneak peek at the editing process then. And down here we've got the app. It's Map My Hike, the app that I use on an Android phone. I have the Galaxy S8. There's the date this morning. 11k. Average pace, what time? 11:30. 2,500 calories burnt, and 2 hours and 6 minutes total time. I think that calls for a bit of a challenge. Next couple of walks there, let's try and get it sub 2 hours if I do the same walk. I think that's the challenge. With that being said, hope you all have a grand day or an evening, and we'll catch you in the next video, guys.